Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace ABS sensor, front ABS sensor on Mazda CX-7. We're demonstrating on a 2007 model, but I think the whole generation might be the same. Okay, so stay with us guys. If you have a code that relates to ABS sensor, traction control light on or something like that, we'll show you how to remove and replace it. Not very complicated procedure at all. We have the hood off because we did an engine replacement on this one, but you don't need to remove the hood or anything like that. Only thing that you need to do is remove the tire and jack the car up, have it on jack stands, okay, like that. And now, if you look, we're demonstrating on the right side of the vehicle, passenger side. This cable right there, that's for the ABS. So you need to press down there, okay, and pull to disconnect them like that. So that rubber seal now there, okay, you need to press it in. There is two clips holding it, okay, like that, through that hole right here. Okay, let me show you. And now we're going to pull it through here. Okay, that's the ABS sensor. Now if you get a little prying tool, okay, right there, we can pull those things out, and sometimes they tend to break too, so those are not so much fun. Okay, so we pulled it to the side, it came out. Now we need to disconnect this right here, cable, and on the other side, it's a little bit hard, I cannot get the camera there. There is a thing that you just open it. Okay, you can see like that, it opens. You pull it out, and there is one. Okay, this one here is exactly like the other one. That's how you open those. Okay, came out. So that's the cable so far. We're pretty lucky. And next thing that we will need to do, okay, right here, we need to use a 10mm socket. Okay, to remove that screw right here, and we just pull it out guys. And this is ABS sensor, you can see it's a little bit dirty, so that could be possible that you have a code for ABS sensor, so make sure you clean them good. Sometimes you have dirt and mud stuck inside, which will cause it not to get an accurate reading, and that way you can you can think that you need a new one, but you don't. So that's for today guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.